You're an expert. Now you need to train your team to be just as effective. Right now, you have two options. Spend weeks building slide decks that may not work, or invest $30,000 to $50,000 and 3 months to create a professional e-learning course. But there's a better way. Novaskill. Novaskill turns technical content into personalized training experiences in minutes that drive business impact so you and your team do what you do best: work. Getting started is easy. Upload existing material, technical specifications, PDFs, standard operating procedures, and manuals. Then, Novaskill analyzes the documents, identifies key concepts, and builds a knowledge map that forms the structure of a complete course. Once the materials are all in, Novaskill automatically creates recommended personas, learning objectives, modules, assessments, glossaries, and properly cited references, eliminating the need to start from scratch. All content is editable, and synthetic videos can be generated using customizable avatars. The platform's deep referencing feature ensures accuracy by showing the exact source behind every learning point, making it easy to create training programs with accurate information, including citations for industries that are regulated, such as biopharma and healthcare. Once the course is created, learners experience a clean, web-based interface that adapts instantly to their learning preferences. They can choose a persona that matches their background, explore material in different learning modes and styles, and view optional video walkthroughs that clarify even highly technical concepts. Accessibility is built in with readable formats, detailed image descriptions, and support for diverse learning needs. A personalized AI coach is always available to guide your thinking, deepen exploration, and provide answers with cited insights. Novaskill shortens production cycles from months to hours, improves business outcomes, and delivers training that improves retention, personalization, and on-the-job performance. Novaskill transforms organizational knowledge into a strategic advantage. Sign up at novaskill.ai to build your first course.